It's Sunday morning. It's time to go home and it's raining. Well, it's eased off a bit now, but looks like we could be getting soaked again. Hopefully not. We're going to call Midway for something to eat on way back. And this morning I just had me poo that I've not had for 2 days. It was marvellous. The texture, it was great.
Mobbing like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it.
Doggy talking to geese.
Hello, packtalk mode, DMC, intercom, mode, mobile phone, 1, connected.
Hello?
Shows your dick, goose. See you, Davros.
Have safe journey, mate.
Shows your dick. Straight down his fucking neck.
Alright, drip don't get wet.
Be nice, won't it, lad?
Have a good safety back.
Yeah. See you. Yeah, you too, Ray.
See you, mate. Yeah.
He's going to stand down. Got that? Oh, I love that shit. Suck me little penis with your tongue. Could you suck a penis with a tongue? You couldn't, could you? No, no, no. What are you singing about, Ian? Oh, fuck me. Fucking brakes are very fierce today. Well, it's been a good weekend. I was foot last night, though. Enjoyed it. Didn't see out last night though, Hug. Just pleasantly monged. And no, Hug, he wouldn't have any more last night. Put himself off, he did, the lad. Put himself off. I think his words were fuck off when I offered him some. So I had to go it alone. Piggy with a line of L plates behind him. Loves it, doesn't he? I think he's like, you know, like a biking groomer. He's a groomer of young bikers. Another biker coming up, Hug.
Yeah, I'm alright over here, mate. He's only got one box on. Yeah, you've only got one box on, mate.
Yeah, you wouldn't have that, would you?
No. Even if you had them in it, you'd put the gun on equal.
Yeah, of course you would. I'm with you there, Hog. I'm with you there. Yeah, so update, it's fucking hammering down. I'm going to be drenched again. We're 3 minutes away, aren't we? It's here.
Yeah.
So we're just turning up at the Raven now. My bike will be rammy. My arse will be rammy after that shit this morning. Feel my little arms getting cooler, so I think it might be soaking through my arm parts.
Oh, it will be.
One eternity later.
On our way, Hog, on our way home. I'm drenched. We're drenched again. Fucking legs pulled up.
You what?
My fucking leg.
What?
On my fucking bottoms.
Oh, blown up?
Yeah. Well, I'm wet anyway, so it makes no odds now. It's a terrible wet day, Hoggy.
It is.
I heard someone else on about today that the ride's getting faster. I think it might be in Sitting Bum.
Well, it will be getting faster because there's not as many.
Yeah. It's better with less bikers.
What?
Better with less bikers.
Yeah.
Gutted you never lost a tooth, Hog.
No. Very good. Very good, that super glue. Recommend it to anyone.
I thought the sherbet lemons were going to destroy you.
No, I'll just take the time on them.
How many did you eat?
I only had one.
Fucking, that's taking your time on them, Hog, that is. Fucking one out of a bag of them.
But I will eat them. I think Gordon's going to be the leader of them. The 125 leader.
Gord's not a bad rider, he's a good rider, Gord, isn't he?
Yeah. I don't know why I don't come on the ride. I'm sure he's done them before, love.
Yeah, he has.
When we first started.
Yeah, he did. He used to be on them. Because I remember being behind him and thinking, fuck me, he's riding that well. He was fucking proper out riding most of the people on big bikes.
Yeah. I got anything of yours in my bags.
Sleeping bag, that's it, mate, I think, isn't it?
Oh, I might not even call it yours then. I might just fucking go straight home.
Yeah, it's up to you. You've got nothing. You know, I've got all my stuff.
You've got all your batteries in it, haven't you now?
Yeah. It's up to you, I'll give you. Don't want to be stripping off and getting back on wet shit and...
Yeah. Might just do that and fucking fly straight through.
Well, our toilet will fucking miss jog. But I think I'll...
Middle of the road.
I think I'll be fucking shitted in a minute.
You're not too bad when you got your head down because it blows it straight off. Or when you crunched over.
I'm a little cruncher, I am, Oggy. Oh,
You just look like a cunt on your bike.
my little heated grips are just kicking in now.
Oh, I even had mine on.
I'll just put one
I
now
was
because my
steaming.
gloves are getting fucking wet.
I was fucking steaming when I got to the campsite.
Oh, Oggy.
Oh. Nice breakfast that was. Oh, I've been waiting for that.
Loved that, didn't you, Oggy? Hey, you alright getting rid of that battery for me, Og? You've got that in your box.
No, well, I'll just keep it at our house for now and see what happens.
Why, you not fucking believing that this battery's fucking fine now?
Oh, you don't know, do you? You don't know whether it's fucking thingy.
Well, it'll be on trickle charge when I get home.
I've got a charger at home that I can put it on and see whether it comes up bad or not.
Yeah.
At least we had to go fucking everything alright.
Yeah, that's the main things, isn't it?
You weren't going there and coming back.
If we ever go when it's raining, I ain't going out on no rides in rain.
No, I'm actually going around those mountains yesterday, rain, wet. Would have been fucking frozen. Well, you will on the GS.
Yeah, I'd have to get gear. Proper gear.
You won't make a bit of difference in the GS for you. You still won't ride. You fucking knobhead.
Okay, you're gonna see a different me, mate. That's
Oh,
if it
fuck off!
ever fucking comes off. Fucking landlord wants to pull his fucking finger out. Feel water going into my boot now, my right boot at the top. Oh yeah, I'm soaking. I'm soaking.
I'm pissed now.
Oh, you want a piss now?
Getting there.
That's cheered me up, that has, Oggy. You might be coming arse for a piss. Can't have a piss without a shit, can you, Og?
Oh, you can.
You'll get your dick out and it'll, oh, I need a shit now. Can't wait, get a nice shower, mate. Fucking Nantwich already. Didn't take long, did it?
Ooh, ass cheeks. Should be looking.
You shouldn't, Og, but I did. Oh, God, Oggy.
Yeah. Oh, getting to the stage of grabbing me dick now.
Grab that dick, Og. Grab that little dick and choke it. The dirty little bastard. You got your vampire teeth, Og, yeah?
They're in my bag. Oh, Jack's like them. For Halloween. Oh, I should have let her go really, but I fucking...
Fucked her up, Oggy, you did.
Should have let her go, but fuck up. Go on, mate. Oh no, we're not agreed.
Don't go, mate. Listen,
Don't
don't
go,
listen to Oggy, for fuck's
Don't
sake.
listen to me.
They'll be fucking crashing, the lad will.
Go on, mate.
Go on, mate. Go on, Og. Well, Volvo let me go anyway, the lad eased off so I could get on the outside.
Ah.
tickle his dick with your tongue, I would, Oggy. Thank you, Mr. Volvo driver. Here, have an Oggy's tongue.
Dickhead.
Extremely slow drivers, aren't they?
Yeah. 30 miles an hour this area low, isn't it?
Is it?
Sure it's outside when they start slowing down.
Surely that's only when police are around. Not when there's no fuckery, yeah?
Alright.
Alright,
Yeah,
mate.
again.
Let me know if you piss yourself or out, Og.
Alright, might dribble.
See you, mate.
See ya.
Ciao, mama. Sing a song to me till we lose contact, Og. Hot in the city. Hot in the city tonight. I'm fucking wet in my arsehole. And that is the end of the Wales weekender. Back drenched. Going to have to hose my bike down now. But yeah, another good weekend. Enjoyed it. Oh yes. So get home, hose my bike down, strip off, shower, get changed, put these videos on computer, and I might go gaming this afternoon, I think. I'm just going to chill out. Try to dry my fucking boots out and coat for tomorrow for work. Hot in the city. It's not like I'm going to be doing much fucking more riding in rain, is it? And you know why that is, don't you? Because I'm not a fucking idiot. Fucking riding in rain, I don't know. See my little Rocco. Shook his little bollocks for him. A week and a half now. In work. And then it's holiday time. Get made up. Get me to Cape Verde. Oh my god, love. Fuck is that? You'll have me crashing, love. Squatting like that. Oh, I shouldn't. And we're home. That's it, job's done. Is it open? No, it's not. I'll open. Oh, yes. Cheers, lads.